Hola mga friendship! Ang dami nga naghahanap ng pabahay sa Nuvali kasi naman ito ay prime location, accessible at maganda ang community. Pero dahil sa medyo may kataasan ang mga pabahay dito, hindi natin ma-afford. Well, good news! Dahil meron na tayong Amaya series Nuvali. And I will be featuring this 2-story townhouse. Ito ay may provision for 3 rooms and meron siyang 2 toilet and bath, isang kitchen sink and parking area. Ang total contract price nito ay nasa 5.6 million lang, friends. 65 square meters ang kanyang floor area at ang kanyang lot area ay 60 square meters. Kung paano nyo siya nakikita dito, ganun-ganun nyo na siya makukuha. Amaya series Nuvali is the first and only townhouse development sa Nuvali. Ayala Land's 2,290 hectare mixed-use project in Laguna envisioned to be the Philippines' first eco-community development. So para dyan sa ating mga environmental lover, heto na ang pabahay na para sa inyo. You can reserve this unit for as low as 30,000. This is a flood-free community accessible sa Calax and SLEX dahil sa kanyang prime location. We still have end and corner units para sa mga gusto ng malaking lot area. Isa nga ang Amaya series sa aming mga highly sought property kasi malapit siya sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road and sa SLEX na major highway na nagko-connect sa Metro Manila. Accessible din ito sa Nuvali Boulevard. This road runs through Nuvali and connects various residential, commercial, and recreational areas within the development. It provides convenience access to Amaya series Nuvali and other amenities in the vicinity. These accessible roads offer convenient transportation options for residents and visitors, making Amaya series Nuvali a desirable location for potential property buyers. Meron kaming libreng tripping and site tours just in case you want to see the community and the house or unit itself. The amenities include swimming pool, basketball court, village pavilion, 24-hour security, parking provision, and a gated community. This is also accessible sa Calamba City proper for only 15 minutes, sa Alabang at 30 minutes, and Makati CBD at 10 minutes. Message us for more inquiries. Bye!